Okay, so my brother's been giving me a hard time. Turn that fan off. My brother's been giving me a hard time, telling me, hey, you need to finish them handles. And I agree with him. I just haven't had a whole lot of time to get back out here and do a lot of work on them, to be honest with you. But I've got this one. This is the second handle. The second handle is always hardest because you're trying to get it to match the first handle. The first handle, you got a good idea of what you want. And the second handle, when you do two handles like this, you're trying to get this one to match up to the first handle. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I'm not the best in the world at it, but I enjoy shaving, and I enjoy, shaping to what I'm trying to get it to do. So I'm trying to get through with the handles because I really need to use the draw knife. Once I get the handles to where I want them, then I'll mount them on the draw knife, and then I got something I'm gonna need to use the draw knife for. I'll share that with y'all in another video, but I'm trying to get it down. What I did is I shave it off with the chisel here, and then I put the file on it, the rasping file on it, and kind of get it even, and then I put the smooth file on it and see how close I am. And if I'm pretty close, then I'll go to putting the sandpaper on it and kind of smooth it out and try to get, the way I want it. But I agree. I've been working on these handles for a while. Like I said, the second one is always the hardest because you're trying to match it with the first one, and you're trying to get it as close as you can to the first one, because what you're trying to do, you don't want to mess with that first one again unless you absolutely have to. So that's where I'm at now. I've already shaved. I've already put the files on this one and got it close, but it's not close enough. So I'm trying to. It's too meaty on this end. I need to shave off some on this end. And see the dig marks in. I don't know if you can see the dig marks in it from where I filed it off. Where I've shaved it off with the chisel. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm always hearing my screw vise here. See how this side's more smooth? It's because I already put the chisel on it. I started to say shizzle. Sound like Snoop Diggity Dog. The shizzle. There in the crap that is. With all this mess that's going around with all the riot and protesting and the vandalism and everything, it's really taken a nasty turn, to be perfectly honest with you. There are things that need to be changed, and I understand that. But there's a way to do them. It's like in like Attila the Hun. Shortly before he died, Attila was bearing down on Rome with a great army. Attila the Hun was bearing down on them, and he was doing the normal, crazy thing that they do, I guess. He was doing a bunch of pillaging and destroying and robbing the natural resources of anybody that got in his way. And even if you weren't in his way, he'd put you in his way. So he'd come and take care of what you're trying to do. Whatever the crap that means. But anyway, shortly before he died, which was he died, gosh, it's in the mid 400s. I can't remember, mid 452, 453 AD. I can't remember, but anyway, he died in the mid 400s, and he was bearing down on Rome right before he died. He was bearing down on Rome, and he was fixing to pillage Rome. Well, a Pope Leo I, come out and met with Attila and convinced Attila to actually turn away and go, you know, leave him alone, you know. And Attila did that, you know. Everybody thought it was a miracle. But actually, what the deal was Attila was low on supplies and Rome didn't have enough to sustain him. So, you know, he had to turn around and go the other way. 2 years after Attila's death, though, and this is what's kind of noteworthy here. 2 years after he died, another barbarian tribe came and sacked the city, and the Pope wasn't able to save this one, believe it or not. He was able to. This new tribe was actually able to come and sack the city and ransack it and turn it into a desolate rat hole, I guess. It was an event that was so frightening that it burned the name of the attackers in our vocabulary, actually. And we still use it today. We still use this word today. Matter of fact, it has been used probably within the last month more than it ever has been. The name of the people that came, the name of the tribe that came and actually sacked Rome and kind of pillaged it down to nothing was a group called the Vandals. So every time that we have somebody that comes in and unnecessarily just tears up a city just for the heck of it, we call it vandalism. And as far as Gunt would say, that's all I had to say about that. Thanks for watching. We'll get this other handle finished and we'll start putting it on the draw knife, because like I said, I need to use that draw knife for something. The reason I'm trying to get it ready is because I need to use it for something. All right.